What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Area. You got me, Solomon, today, and as you can see, we got the 75 B100 pulled out, and we're actually going to be working on her today. So I'm actually heading up to my buddy Tate Design, and we got a little treat in store. We're going to be installing graphics on the side of this bad boy, and then I got a couple other things that I want to get done on it. So we're going to take you along and show you all the steps that we do. All right, guys, so we just got over here to Tate Design.
What up?
This is James, also known as Tate.
Hey.
And we're gonna be installing some stripes that we got from Jake over at Montana Broncos. Should be pretty straightforward, don't you think?
Pretty straight. The truck isn't straight.
No, but the installation.
Yeah, the installation's gonna be straight. You always wanna do the passenger side first.
That if you screw it up, you don't see it every day.
Yep.
That's really why?
Yep. Supposed to go all the way to the bottom?
It's supposed to go to this body line right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just around the flares is where it gets cut out. Correct?
Yeah, right here. You can see this line.
Okay. All right,
So what's that first step?
is to try and find your line that we're trying to go off of.
Damn, bro, you're like a professional.
Try to make it look like I know what I'm doing.
You've only been doing this how long?
Like 10 years.
Bro, it doesn't feel like that long.
No.
Feels like just yesterday we were just hanging out. It's crazy.
So of course you want to start with a clean surface with some type of alcohol, denatured or isopropylene alcohol. To remove any waxes off the surface. And then we got this stuff called knifeless tape. It's pretty much a Teflon string. And it's going to create our cuts.
All right, guys, so we just finished up over here. James knocked this thing out. It looks awesome. Can't wait to pull it outside, see it in the light. But inside it looks super cool. He even gave me a little detail right here on the gas thing with his logo underneath it. I really like the way this turned out. It looks like really beachy and fun, and that's the whole point of these freewheeling graphics. Major shout out to Montana Broncos. If you guys don't already follow him, make sure you go check him out on Instagram. And if you want some graphics for yourself, make sure to hit up Jake at Montana Broncos. So right now we're gonna pull this thing outside and show it to you in the sun. And then I'm gonna go for a little cruise. So we'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so what better than the beach to come over here and show this baby off? So we just pulled over here to Fort Lauderdale Beach, and the stripe kit, man, does it look cool. It really transformed the entire truck. Like, it really it makes the truck look completely different. I love it. You guys let me know right there in the comment section below, what do you think about it? Love to hear your opinions on it. And here we go on some beauty shots. Enjoy.